Hi, this is Chris from UVPrintGuide.com with a quick tip for extending the life of your eufyMake E1 print mats. The E1 comes with two flat print beds on which you apply a sticky mat to help keep items from moving around. It also has calibration marks and a ruler for alignment. These mats are intended to be consumable. As you print on things, overspray from printing past the edges of your items gets onto the mat. This builds up and causes two problems. One, the mat is no longer sticky, and two, lumpy ink can prevent materials from sitting flat, which is critical to getting good print results. You can try to scrape or chip the ink off, but there's a good chance of damaging the mat. Replacements are available from Eufy for a reasonable price, but you still might burn through them pretty quickly. So here's a way to avoid the problem entirely. Cover the mat with tape. When it gets loaded with ink, just take the tape off and put on a new piece. Good as new. The trick, of course, is you want to put the sticky side up, so you still have a sticky mat and a chance of removing it later. While it's entirely possible to do this with masking or painter's tape, our favorite choice is this vinyl transfer tape from Frisco Craft. It's extra durable and has a textured surface with a fairly weak adhesive that makes it just right for the printer, but ironically not very good for vinyl transfer. While we're here, I'll show you how I cut a perfect piece for the mini bed. This Swingline guillotine cutter has become one of my most used tools. This tape is sticky, so it takes a little bit of practice to feed it under the safety bar. But the great thing about this tape is that it's very forgiving. It doesn't permanently crumple or fold. The mat is 9 centimeters, and this cutter has both inches and centimeters marked, so just line it up. And here's the trick. The tape cuts cleanest if you go fast, so make sure your fingers are out of the way. There we go, perfect piece. The length doesn't quite cover the bed with one piece, but for everything I've printed, that hasn't been an issue. If you're interested in this transfer tape, cutter, or other materials for your UV printer, as well as more tips and guides, check us out at UVPrintGuide.com. We've built a curated catalog to save you time searching and shopping. Links are also in the video description. Like and subscribe for more reviews. Your views and clicks make it possible for us to keep testing new products. Thanks for watching.